What is up, everyone? Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. And yes, judging by the title, it is lift day. No, we're not going to the gym. We are finally putting that 4-inch on Old Faithful 6.0. My brother just showed up in his 6.7. Beautiful truck, guys. Has an 8-inch lift on there, 24s on 37s. Black Rhino forged. Good looking wheels. Just a good looking truck, guys. Nothing fancy, but an 8-inch on some wheels. So, with that being said, yeah, it's nice, it's pretty. Let's get to Old Faithful over here. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Obviously we want to clean everything up underneath. So, got some rust under there that we want to touch up, just get it nice and pretty. Get it all cleaned up, and then obviously put our new Purdy painted parts on there so we can get her up in the air. Let's get started, guys. Alright, so wheels are off on the front. Here's where we sit, and here's what we're gonna do. So obviously these are being changed out, the arms are being changed out, our drop brackets, shocks are gonna be resprayed. All this rust we want to kind of blend in and go away. It is an older truck, boys and girls. Rust happens. We're definitely in Florida. So what we're going to do is black all these brackets out. We've already taken these two off. Here's one just cleaned up. That goes right there. The other one we have off already. Got my brother doing the same thing on this side. Taking them off so we can get them cleaned up and resprayed black. Here it is. Cleaned up. Ready for spray. Like I said, they're going to blend in, be dark, people won't see them. So boys and girls, when you're doing kits like this, you can see that some parts come off, some parts go back on. Unfortunately, this part wasn't even really held on. It's not really needed. There's already a bracket to hold the bumper, so we're going to go ahead and fix this. And, well, so, as we're cleaning my parts to paint and make look pretty, we take a look at this. This is what happens, boys and girls, when you guys have nice wheels. They're a little bit taller. Old grandma comes out to dinner next to you and opens her door. There it is. So we're going to go ahead and fix that while we're here. We still love grandma. Yep, she's still our favorite. We just got to fix the wheel.
I'm fucking loving this. Yeah, that's definitely rain.
There's no rain in the forecast. That is not rain.
What is that then?
Do you want gloves?
It's not supposed to rain on Monday. This is with periodic clouds.
Hold on.
That stuff coming down off this cloud.
I don't smell it wet yet, so we're...
No, it's still too far out.
Yeah. Where did... Hey, Ed.
Stays out there.
Ed, D.
Yep.
What were these bolts size?
15, 16.
Okay, what are you trying to do? Here, hold on, fool. You got the... Hold on. Watch. That one's hanging. You gotta put that jack up. That jack's got a lift on that. Pull back. Hey, you're out from underneath it.
You're not.
You gotta put it in again. Put it in again. Tighten her up.
One bushing.
Tighten it up.
It is tight.
Alright. What she said.
Good.
Right. Hey, where's the spring? You're gonna need that.
What?
Spring's got to be in, and we'll turn these in here one at a time. 15, 16, you said? Where do they all go? Over there?
Oh no.
No.
Don't touch. Okay? No.
Just a 15, 16?
Did we leave salmon?
Yours.
Hey, drop that back down. Please.
Me? You gotta do the bottom first. Just so you know.
Huh?
You got to do the bottom first. You don't put it in that way. It won't go. Well, it usually won't go.
Come on now. All right, boys and girls, just wanted to give you guys an update of where we stand. So everything is buttoned up inside of here. Looks really good. Again, you know, taking the time, nice and slow, painting everything under here, making it look clean, guys. You know, there's a lot of rust and stuff like that. So the shocks, we ended up going with stock Rancho shocks for now. We're gonna end up ordering. We have the extenders, but we're gonna end up ordering 4-inch extended shocks for this. Probably go with the Foxes on there with the reservoirs. A, they look good. B, the functioning. So we'll end up doing that, but these will work for now. Got everything cleaned up under here. The paint just came out really damn good. So gonna be switching over to the rear. Obviously got everything painted. Got the 5-inch block, all the bracketry. So we'll start disassembling everything. We ended up going with a 2011 and newer rear end on these to where the U-bolts actually face down instead of going up. So we'll be changing all that out and we'll keep going. Well, boys and girls, we started here, got the lift done on these good looking 17s. We are gonna change them out to right here, boys and girls. 22 by 12, negative 44 offset. XF forged 302 floating centers with chrome spikes. They just came out really damn good. Got the spinner going. It's really gonna make this truck pop. Red, white, and blue, Captain America. I wanted to hold the reveal, and here it is, guys. We'll finish her up now. Easy on the turn. Right there. Alright, boys and girls, you can see an 8-inch lift on 24s and 37s. Around to a 4-inch lift. Essentially 35s on 22s. So definitely not a bad setup, a little bit of a difference for you guys to be able to see. But I'm loving the way it came out. And that's going to do it for us on this episode, guys. Thank you again for liking and subscribing. Make sure to keep telling your friends, family, everybody. The more likes, the more subscribers, the bigger we get, the better the projects. Other than that, take care. Thank you.